Hi, I'm Sydney and this is Kat and we're the Wandering Chew. We are a women-led food collective, and what we do is we organize experiential food events to introduce Montrealers to the diversity of Jewish foods and stories in the city. And today we're going to be making carrot harissa latkes to get ready for Hanukkah. So first we're going to be putting 4 carrots in the food processor on the medium shredding setting. So now we're going to add the onion, and you can add it just to the same bowl. You don't have to take the carrots out first. And then last, to the food processor, you're going to add 1 clove of garlic. So now you're going to take all of the things that are in the food processor and you're going to put them in a bowl in a cloth and squeeze out the moisture, and then you can put it in your mixing bowl. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of harissa, 1 egg, and a 1/4 cup of potato starch, and then salt and pepper. And then you're going to take a tablespoon of the carrot mixture and you're going to put it in your hot oil and you're going to fry it till it's crispy golden on both sides. And then you can drain it on a cloth after they're done. So for the topping, you're going to mix 1 cup of Greek yogurt with 2 finely chopped preserved lemons and half a tablespoon of preserved lemon brine. And then you grab your latkes, put a few on a plate, top them, and enjoy.